Flamingo Chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. I am in the mood for a taco salad. Simple to make, right? You brown some ground beef, season it, shred some lettuce, cheese, beans, whatever you like. But we need a taco shell. I hate buying taco shells at the store. It's a giant waste of money. Now you can make this like nachos, just use some chips, whatever. Make a burrito, but I wanted a flour taco shell. So this is what we're gonna make. It's just a flour shell, it's crispy, right? Ready to use as a taco shell, but it's so simple to do in an air fryer. So the first thing you need is a tortilla. You can use, what you want is a burrito-sized tortilla. These happen to be Mission brand. They come 8 in a packet, but you can see right on there says burrito. That's the size you want. You're also going to need an air fryer, and then you're going to need 3 more things, actually 4. You're going to need some spray oil of some kind. It really doesn't matter what. I think vegetable oil works best for this. You're going to need something to line this with, because you don't have to. You could set it in there the way we're going to do it, but I'm just not a fan. So I like for this a paper liner. So we're just going to put a paper liner in there. Into that, I know this is going to look weird, but I'm going to put a bowl. Now you need a heat-resistant, oven-safe bowl. Okay, this one happened to come from, oh, what do you know? Sam's Members Mark. So we're just going to set that right in the basket. It looks a little strange, I get it. And then you're going to take your tortilla, and I like to spray the inside of this bowl so the tortilla won't stick. And then I also spray a little on the tortilla so that it will, quote unquote, fry. Drop the tortilla oil side up into the bowl, and all you gotta do is press it down into the bowl. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. I like it. I'm a little OCD sometimes, so I have a tendency to try to get all the curves matching the bowl, and that's what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to take a ramekin and set inside the shell. All that's going to do is give it something to work up around. Set all this into the fryer basket. We're going to cook this at 400 for 5 minutes. And then we'll take it out and we'll cook it 2 more minutes flipped over, so we cook the bottom. I don't know if you can hear the cat. He wants out. He's not going. 5 minutes. Time to take it out. Now when we take this out, you're going to see I have a nice color going on there. This is the important part, all right? Tongs. Take that ramekin out of there. It is going to be very hot. And then take your shell, which is going to be crispy on the outside but soft on the bottom. So we're going to just take the other bowl out and lay the shell back in there upside down. Now this is going to go back in the fryer for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how soft this is. Mine is really soft, so I'm going to give it about 3 minutes. Look at that. What we have there is a very hot shell to use for a taco salad. I mean, it took 8 minutes, right? And in the meantime, I'm making all my ingredients. I'm good to go. That's nice and crispy. Panther, you're not going outside. Until next time, if there's something you'd like me to make, all you got to do is drop me a line or comment right here on the video. Comments help the algorithm. Bill at KansasFlamingoChef.com. Remember, eat fabulous, and I'll see you soon.